Hey guys, we're back with another drawing video today. Today we're drawing the Siamosaurus, I think. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I've never actually heard of this dinosaur until now. But, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first off, let's see. I'm gonna start with the head. So, the reference that I have looks like it kind of goes like that. And then like that. I'm gonna do the top now. And then extend the jaw. Then it has this little crest thing, kind of like Spinosaurus mirabilis that was discovered recently. And then it looks like this part looks like it has like a fatter neck part. And then it drifts down. And then looks like this part curves in the back. Sorry, this one won't be the best drawing because again, I've never heard of this dinosaur. So I kind of have more leeway or more room to mess up, I guess. It's also going to be a quicker one because I have one more drawing I'm planning to do today. And that will be Gorgosaurus. So like that. Then we got the first leg. And then second toe. And then like that. And then the next part will be the way to do like this. And then the next part will be the claws. And then like another claw that kind of curves. Like that. Here, I'm gonna make these legs look a little bit better. That leg at least. Okay, so now let's do the other leg, which starts like about here. And then curves into another foot. Here, let me just fix that, make it look nice. I'll make it look good in a moment. And then we do the next hand. Yeah, this thing is not looking that great. Don't worry, it will in a moment. Okay, now we got that. Let's begin to here. Actually, before I do that, I want to make this jaw look a little bit better. I don't want to rush. Can't rush art. Yeah, there we go. That's looking a lot better already. Okay, so now we gotta fill in these feather-like things, which I've never actually seen on a Spinosaurid before. Are there others? Let me know in the comments, like if there are other like feathered animals that we haven't found any other like feathers on. Like, okay, so anyway, now let's do the mouth. This is a closed mouth image, so I'm gonna start there, then make the head shade in the claws. Okay. Let's shade in these claws to make them look like they stand out. Is that the word? Yeah, stand out. Okay. Now let's shade the back of this leg just a little bit. Really get that shading going. I'm not gonna do many like fine details because that's too time consuming. But I'm gonna do my best, the best that I can to make it look like the image. Yeah, and sorry if my computer fan is a little loud. That's the best I could do right now. So now let's get this little blue part. And then there's one kind of here. And then looks like there's some color right here, like red-ish, but I'm only gonna do black and white. I'm not a fan of how small this tail is, but that's okay. It's a dinosaur. It looks like the red kind of covers the whole end of this tail. Right? Yeah. And then there's some feather, like, or quill, I don't know what these are, but they're on the back. They go along the back of the tail. Which again, very interesting. Never seen that in a dinosaur before. Oh yeah, and then let's get in the little blue color. There's a little blue color right here. And it kind of goes like on the neck slightly, like around the arm. Here, let's darken that a little bit. Okay, let's work on this leg a little bit now. Shade in the dark areas. Kind of define the muscle a little bit. Then we can shade in the rest. Oh, my image turned off. 1 moment. Okay, we're good. Okay, so now shade in this area. Shade in this part. And now for the beginning of the mouth. Let's do some really light shading, like that. Darken around the back of the head, like I always do. Give it that definition that it needs. I'm just gonna make it easier by darkening around the belly area. And really just keeping it simple. Okay guys, this is the best I can do right now. I'll see you guys in the next one, because this is technically a 2-part. episode, or 2-part, because the person that made this requested 2 creatures, so this is for them.